You know, when you see a ukulele guy come up in a Hawaiian shirt, there's only one of two things. It's either a native Hawaiian or it's someone that can't play the ukulele and can't sing and is trying to pull it off. Yeah. So we'll see how this goes.
Yeah. You know you're a native Hawaiian.
I am not.
Not even close.
Okay, welcome to this week's episode of Luv Subbin. And where does it find us?
We are on Rolling of the River Rally in Bernardston, Massachusetts.
Yes, and this is a rally dedicated to music and those who love music and making music.
Absolutely.
And you may not know this about Luv Subbin, but we are musicians ourselves.
Yes.
Well, not really. We're terrible. Some of these guys are borderline pros back there.
But what we make up with talent is maybe enthusiasm.
Yes, but we're going to go ahead and take you on this quick little rally and Luv Subbin sings.
Absolutely.
You'll be in concert with us.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get into this rally and see what we got going on here. And that's kind of cool. You can see here at the campground, they've got a welcome sign for us. WBCCI is the Wally Bottom Caravan Club International, or also known as the Airstream Club. So we have this nice welcoming sign as we come into the campground and the clubhouse. Very nice. You know, it's so good to see that they're family owned for over 40 years. You know, we're seeing so many campgrounds getting bought up by these major corporations like, you know, Camp America or something. These beautiful family campgrounds with a family feel. And then the corporations get bought up and then you're just another number. And we've seen that with Camping on the Battenkill. We've seen that with Bar Harbor Campground. Just a few of our favorites that we would always go to that are now big corporate entities. This is a John Prine song. Is he famous? Yeah. Is he? I had to look this one up. Is he dead? Good. Not that I want him to be dead, I just don't want him to hear this. I can't believe we're playing this because we accidentally thought two meant two people.
Roll with it, Luv Subbin.
Lesson learned the hard way. You know, I also don't think bags and I bought myself a ticket to the land of the tall palm tree. Aloha, oh Milwaukee. Hello, Waikiki. Just stepped down from the airplane when I thought I heard her say, waka waka nuka nuka, waka waka nuka nuka, would you like a lake? Hey, let's talk dirty in Hawaiian. Whisper in my ear. Kika puka maka wakahini are the words I long to hear. Lay a coconut on my tiki. Hecka puka muka muka dear. Let's talk dirty in Hawaiian. Say the words I long to hear.
Yes, sir.
The ukulele Honolulu sunset. Listen to the grass skirts sway. Drinking rum from a pineapple out on Honolulu Bay. Steel guitars are playing while she's talking with her hands. Gimme, okadoka, make a wish, I wanna doka, won't nice hand. Oh! Let's talk dirty in Hawaiian, whisper in my ear. Kikapuka maka wahine are the words I long to hear. Lay your coconut on my tiki, what the heck, muka 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 dear. Let's talk dirty in Hawaiian, say the words I long to hear. Bottle of the jaka with my hula and send it to the folks back home. Never had the chance to touch a hula, guess I should have known. When you start to talk with the sweetie queenie, walking in the pale moonlight. Okadoka wanasana, okadoka baka, hope I said it right. Let's talk dirty in Hawaiian, whisper in my ear. Kikapuka maka wawakini are the words I long to hear. Lay your coconut on my tiki, what the heck, a mooka 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 dear. Let's talk dirty in Hawaiian. Say the words I long to hear. Let's talk dirty in Hawaiian. Say the words I long to hear.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was fabulous.
Right, let's see how we're doing here, grilling and chilling. Oh yeah, dog.
What are we putting on right now?
Yep, so in the realm of you can grill stuff other than just steak and meat and chicken, we're grilling lettuce. So we've got these little baby lettuce from our farmer's market.
They're little baby lettuce heads that
We're
you
gonna
cut
put
in
them on the
half.
cool side. They're olive oiled.
Yep.
Cut side down.
Cut side down. We're gonna stick them on for probably 3 minutes till they have grill marks on the bottom, and they should be lovely. All right, let's see how they
Or
turn out.
terrible, one or the other. But
They'll
it'll
be
be good. So how'd the grilled lettuce turn out?
We're gonna test it right now. I added a little bit of salad dressing, a couple of honeyed peanuts, and we're gonna see how it goes. That's really good. It kind of softens the lettuce a little bit. And it reminds me a little bit of kale when it's been softened, but if you have a good little head of lettuce, this is a great way to do this.
I don't need no diamond rings or fancy pearls.
Beautiful stuff recording. And I just want Steve or Sue or somebody to confirm that Dopey Hawaiian song we sang last night actually says John Prine.
It says John Prine.
As if you guys really want to hear me.
Oh yeah.
We do. This one right here.
All right.
You have
So-
to
so-
play the history of this one.
All right, so this one is kind of a fan favorite, if we had fans and if they had a favorite.
You have fans, you have favorite.
But we've actually played this one before at an event, and
Mini events.
it seems to have worked.
In the past Jam Fest.
Yes.
Yes.
It's apparently a favorite, but you know we'll give our best here.
Ready?
Ready? We're gonna start the first segment together, right?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Flotsam away from your kindred and all, by the campfire at night with the wild dingoes call. But there's nothing so lonesome, morbid or drear, than to stand in a bar with a pub with no beer.
Now the publicans anxious for the quota they come. There's a faraway look on the face of the bum. The maid's gone all crazy, the cook's acting queer. What a terrible place is a pub with no beer.
Well, the stockman comes in with his dry, dusty throat. He thrusts up the bar and pulls a wad from his coat. His smile flirts quickly, turns to a sneer as the farmer says sadly, the pub's got no beer.
The swaggy comes in covered in dust and flies. He throws down his roll, rubs the sweat from his eyes. But when he is told, he says, "This is what I hear. I've trudged 50 flaming miles for a pub with no beer."
I like this one. There's a dog on the veranda for his master. He waits as his boss is inside drinking wine with his mates. He hurries for cover and he cringes in fear. What a place for a dog is a pub with no beer.
Old Billy the blacksmith, the first time in his life, has gone home cold sober, his darling wife. He walks in the kitchen.
He says, "You're lovely Bill dear.
And then he breaks down and tells her
The pub's got no
beer.
It's hard to believe there's customers still, but the money's still tucking in the old ancient till. The wine buffs are happy, and I know they're sincere when they say they don't care if the vault has no beer. It's lonesome away from your kindred and all, by the campground at night where the wild dingoes call. But there's nothing so lonesome, morbid or drear than to stand in a bar of a pub with no deer.
And our apologies to Slim Dusty and all the Australians. Thank you very much.
Awesome, thank you guys.
Now I'm going to go get wine from my mates here. All right, well there you have it. Our Rolling on the River Rally. What do you think?
Oh, it was great. A lot of fun people, great musicians.
Yeah, we have some of our musicians back there who are staying for an extra night.
Yep.
Say hello, musicians. We got our harmonica person, Tess on the guitar, Denise on the bare vocals, which were awesome.
Yep.
And guitar.
And
absolutely.
guitar, everybody was great. It was a lot of fun, and we will enjoy our trips down the road.
Yeah, so we're heading out, but this was an awesome rally. And so if you like this video,
Give us a big thumbs up
and if you think we've earned a subscription, click the subscribe.
and comment below if you play an instrument and what instrument you would play.
Maybe you should come to this rally if
And
you're an
maybe you should-
Airstreamer next year.
Absolutely.
Because we come out with RV and Airstream related videos just like this one every Tuesday.
Thanks for watching.
We still got this guy over here.
Yes.